Hello guys, welcome to the latest episode of Big Trip, and today I'm at Liverpool South Parkway, located on the West Coast Main Line, I can't even talk today, it's so cold and windy, on the Liverpool section of the West Coast Main Line. So today here you'll be seeing services from Northern, London Northwestern Railway under the West Midlands Train brand, Virgin Trains and East Trains, and also a test run by Transport for Wales. So we'll be seeing a test service by them. Well, it'll be a test like working, it's not actually passenger service. I've only been here once before. It's been nearly 3 years since I last visited Liverpool, and I'm really glad I came back. South Parkway was one of them. Again, compared to the last time I came to Liverpool, I'm filming the same two stations I did the last time I visited, just to get them out of the way again. So to kick things off, we have got a train approaching, but we'll get it in a minute. If you do wish to check out any real-time updates on trips and posts, please do check out my Facebook group. The link is in the description. So without further ado, let's see what's on offer here, shall we? Let's get started here at Liverpool South Parkway. Okay, first train to arrive is going to be the 1304 East Midlands train service to Norwich from Liverpool Lime Street. The front of it is 158866. And the rear is 158773. And that's the East Croft Depot sticker on it. You'll see this one go out in a minute. Okay, the fine there's 158866 and 158773 on the 1303 even East Midlands train service to Norwich from Liverpool Lime Street. The return working, which is the 1315 here. Got a passing 150 as well. Well, that's the test working, it's 15279 doing it. Didn't expect it to come through so fast, but it's 15279. It said 10B on the front of it and Caerphilly on the rear of it. Oh, I love paper displays, they're so funny. So that return wrecking for East Midlands trains, that's 12 minutes late at the moment, so that's not going to be here at 13:15. So, and the 150 was on a test to Frodsham Junction, because from the May 2018 timetable change, Transport for Wales will be operating from Liverpool Lime Street to Chester and North Wales, so that will be interesting. Aside from that as well, Transpennine Express will also slowly begin commencing from Liverpool Lime Street to Edinburgh, so that will be really interesting as well, and also to Oxenholme and Glasgow, I think, in the near future as well, so that will be really interesting, that. But anyway, that's 15279 and the 158. Okay, the next train to arrive is the 1307 Northern service from Manchester Oxford Road to Liverpool Lime Street, formed of a 150-1, and it is 150123. It's one of the ex-GWR ones. A, B, C. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Had to do it, sorry. Current departing now is the 1307 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Manchester Oxford Road, and it's formed of 150-123. So there goes that one. You can see a roof of a pacer in the background. It's about to arrive in a minute, so look out for that one. Okay, as the dash 1 goes out, the next train to arrive is the 1310 Northern service from Liverpool Lime Street to Manchester Oxford Road. I think this is formed of a double pairing of 142s. In fact, yes it is. The front is 142047. Oh, shut up, stupid pacer. On 42025 to the rear, passing through, got a Virgin train service as well. Good tone as well. That's 39135. That's heading over to Liverpool Lime Street from London Euston. And 142025 was the rear of it. That was on the 1310 to Manchester Oxford Road, with a very cheery driver who made me jump when he blew the horn. So very interesting there. But yeah, there goes that one. That's to Manchester Oxford Road from Liverpool Lime Street, and the Virgin train service as well. Okay, next train to arrive is the 1316 London Northwestern Railway service to Birmingham New Street from Liverpool Lime Street. This is formed of a 350. It won't be 231 again. That was the train you saw leave at the beginning of the video. This will be the unit that passed it on the way to Lime Street. 350 239. Okay, departing now is the 1316 London Northwestern Railway service to Birmingham New Street from Liverpool Lime Street. That service calls now at Runcorn, and then I think it goes straight to Crewe. It might call at Hertford or something in between, but I know it's Crewe, then it's Stafford, then it's Penkridge, Wolverhampton, and then that one will be Smethwick, Galton Bridge and Birmingham New Street. I think that will be Smethwick. It might be Cosley then Birmingham New Street, because it alternates between the two. So, but whichever one it is, and the other one will be in the next half hour. Okay, so question of the video for you all. So, which train operating company, and I'm not counting any that have changed their name or anything, I'm talking about like route wise, which train operating company is the most recent one to cease their operation here at Liverpool South Parkway? So which train operating company now used to serve Liverpool South Parkway up until maybe last year and now doesn't? And also, for extra sort of an extra question, why don't they serve it anymore? So answers in the comments as always. Okay, next train to arrive is going to be the 1327 Northern service from Liverpool Lime Street to Manchester Airport. I think this is for under a 150 or one. No, I think it's a 156 actually. It is a 156. It's 156423. What is that with all this diesel stuff going? Oh no, it is going via Ermston. I keep forgetting that. That's why. That's not electrified. I don't think it is. Anyway, there it is. Okay, arriving now is the delayed 13:15 East Midlands train service from Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street. 158856 is the front of it. Just double checking that actually. Nice few tones there as well coming in. And 158813. Oh, this has got to be something to see. It is a Perkins and a Cummins together. So there goes that one. There goes 158856 and 158813. That's on the delayed 13:15 East Midlands train service to Liverpool Lime Street from Norwich, calling out Liverpool Lime Street only. That service is delayed by about 14 minutes. It's delayed a bit further because someone tried to get up the train when the doors were closing. So yeah. Anyway, so yeah, there goes that one. Okay, next train to arrive is going to be the 13:31 London Northwestern Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street from Birmingham New Street. That's 350-234. It's a shame all the dash 2s are on this route, but it's probably a darn good job they're not on a Euston service instead. Arriving as well next to it is 15119. That's on the 13:30 Northern service from Liverpool Lime Street to Manchester Airport as well. The killer part now is 15119 and whatever else is on the rear. The rear of it is 15117. That's on the 13:30 Northern service to Manchester Airport from Liverpool Lime Street. And a wailing you can hear in the background as well is the 350 that's also headed out on the 13:31 London Northwestern Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street from Birmingham New Street. So there goes both of those trains there. And it's starting to rain, yippee! Right, so just a slight correction for you all. The 156, which was 15643, is actually the 13:30 to Manchester Airport. That double pairing of dash ones was the 13:34 Northern service to Manchester Oxford Road. I do apologise, I got a little bit mixed up because I read 1316 as Manchester Airport when in theory it was actually Birmingham New Street. So I don't know why I said 1316. I must have been off my head or something. But yeah, that was actually a northern service. The 1316 was actually the London Northwestern Railway one, and to Birmingham, and then the 1330 was the 156. The 1334, so excuse my voice, was the double pairing of dash ones. So we're up to date now. That's why the 156 waited. I thought it was just waiting for the East Midlands trains to round the curve, but then I realised there's 2 tracks, so it doesn't actually need to do that. So there we go. Right, passing through now, we've got a Network Rail Tamper. Or a track machining or tamper of some description. Passing through there, that was unexpected. So that goes through platform 4, which is never used. So, well, probably is used, but not much. Okay, passing back through is 152.79 on its test. That one's going to be stopping here for now. Also arriving is the 1344 London Northwestern Railway service to Birmingham New Street. Junk 35231 coming back. In fact it is, and the Transport for Wales 150 is heading off as well. There's the 350 and also 152.23. That's the 1339 northern service from Manchester Oxford Road to Liverpool Lime Street. We'll see this 150 go out in a minute. There goes 152.23 on the 1339 northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Manchester Oxford Road. That service now calls at places. There also goes the 350 heading to Birmingham New Street. And it calls at Edge Hill, and I think it also calls at Adderley Park. Something like that. Adderley Park, no, that's near Birmingham, I'm sure. Oh god, I can't remember the names of them now. Mossley Hill is one of them, and there is another one, but I can't for the life of me remember what I saw. Mossley Hill, Edge Hill, Liverpool Lime Street was 2 of them. There was another one in between that, but I can't remember the name of it. If it rings a bell, I'll make sure I say it, but someone can probably comment it anyway, because they always do. Here now arriving is the 1350 northern service from Manchester Airport to Liverpool Lime Street, 151.33. And 151.21. Okay, now departing is a 1350 northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Manchester Airport. As I said before, 151.33 and 151.21. XGWR, that one, 151.21. That heads out to Liverpool Lime Street, calling at Liverpool Lime Street only from Manchester Airport. well, fun bit of an update for you. I was meant to get the 14:15 service to Liverpool Lime Street, because that's where I'm filming next, as you guys now know, although it was pretty predictable. But that's an East Midlands train service, and it's just been cancelled. So I'm going to have to look at what's after that one now. Oh, you got to love it when it does get cancelled. It means a bit longer here, but for what gain, really? There's not much gain out of it, but we'll see what happens. Okay, next train to pass will be a Virgin train service from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. This service will be calling at Runcorn, Stafford, Runcorn, Crewe, Stafford and London Euston. And this service is running incredibly slowly. Is it making way for something? But irrespective of anything, it is there. It's an old livery pendo. I think it's the same one that passed through, so if that's the case, it's 391.35. Sorry about the cam work. It's picking up speed now. It is indeed 391.35. Again, calls at Runcorn, Crewe, Stafford and London Euston. Okay, next train to arrive is going to be the 14:03 East Midlands train service to Norwich from Liverpool Lime Street. As you can tell, the London Northwestern Railway one hasn't turned up yet. It's been indefinitely delayed at the moment. I'm not too sure what's going on with it. It's 158.813 and 158.856 on its return, so it's the Cummins and Perkins one again. Right now departing is 158.813 and 158.856 to Norwich. And it's 352.67. That's on the delayed 1400 London Northwestern Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street from Birmingham New Street. There goes the 158, and there's 350.267. Okay, departing now is 352.67, heading off on the 1400 London Northwestern Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street from Birmingham New Street. So there goes that one. So it's very busy here at South Parkway now. Everyone got off at 350. Also, I've literally just missed it, but 68028, the Transpennine light engine class 68, soared through literally whilst I was caught off guard. So I disappointingly missed it, but who knows. I don't doubt I'll see it again sometime, but I have missed it. There was a Transpennine 68. In fact, I kind of knew it was coming, but I forgot. I kind of was caught off guard and it just popped up. Okay, now arriving is for 156464. That's on the 1407 northern service from Manchester Oxford Road to Liverpool Lime Street. So there's that one. Negative 156464, that's on the 1407 northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Manchester Oxford Road. So there's that one. We're going to finish off with one more train, and then I just found that the next possible train I can get is 1431 to Liverpool Lime Street. That is delayed at the moment, so I've really got no hope. So it looks likely I'm going to be going on a Merseyrail to Liverpool Central, where I change there for walk up to Liverpool Lime Street. Sort of a roundabout way of getting there, but it seems like my only option at the moment. Also, I'm going to be stuck here for the best part of 20 minutes, maybe longer, as things are getting delayed. Okay, passing through now, we've got a Virgin Trains service to Liverpool Lime Street from London Euston. Oddly enough, we've seen no new livery pendos here today. Now that is different. It's 392137. Nameplate, sorry, excuse my voice, nameplate is Virgin Difference. Forgot about that one, but there it goes, an extra train there to include on the video. Okay, now arriving, and also the final train in this video will be the 1410 northern service to Manchester Oxford Road from Liverpool Lime Street. This should be 15123. It is. So here it is to Manchester Oxford Road, 15123, 1410 northern service. See you out in a minute. Okay, departing is 15123, heading off on the 1410 northern service to Manchester Oxford Road from Liverpool Lime Street. And as that one does go around the curve, I am going to finish the video from Liverpool South Parkway here. So, thank you all for watching this video from Liverpool South Parkway. If you have liked what you've seen here, please do like and subscribe. Please do leave any comments, because I'll get back to them as and when I can, and any recommendations are also welcome, so please do leave those in the comments too. I've been back to the station, as I say, for about 3 or so years, and this station has been fantastic. Full of good variety, full of, it was really nice to see a Transport for Wales service. Disappointed to have missed the 68. The Trans-Pennine Express. Don't doubt I'll see it again though sometime, because I am up north every so often, so I will do my best and endeavour to try and get it again, but I have already seen it at Stockport, so I am still happy with that. This station though, saw a lot good passing trains by Virgin Trains, although they were slow. It was nice, sort of well, it was just very varied on 2 different lines. There was a Runcorn, so 350s and all that, and curving around to in the direction of Manchester Oxford Road, in the direction of Ermston that way. Ermston's the only station I know on that line, sorry. But yes, there's a few stations on that line, but not, I can't remember all of them off the top of my head. No, Widnes and Warrington Central and Hunts Cross are also that way as well. So this is definitely not going to be ruling them out for filming at some stage as well, but just not yet. Yeah, next station for me is, of course, Liverpool Lime Street, so I shall see you all there. Again, recommend South Parkway, nice little station, very quiet, even though it serves a massive airport, named after a famous person from the Beatles, otherwise known as John Lennon. God, I cannot speak today. So yes, and yeah, great station overall. Actually, it's a Tampa approaching. thought it was a 350 in my mind. I saw something approaching, I thought, oh no, it's a 350, but it's actually a tamper. Let's just film it go past, and then I will be disappearing to head over to Lime Street even. Oh, around the curve that one goes as well. Fair enough. Yeah, it turns out the 1431 is 12 minutes late, so I'm not going to be waiting for that because it is just too long to wait, and there won't be much here because things are getting cancelled. Well, a couple of trains, one train's been quite delayed and the other one's been cancelled, so I'm going to shut up now anyway. Thanks for watching, see you all at Liverpool Lime Street. Goodbye.